Hell no, she just like her mom. Always wants to be my business.
Dude, get up. Chase, enough. Let's go. Come on.
Is this what you were planning on doing? I'm confused. Ow, bitch!
Somebody explain to me, what kind of cat wants to be held like this? Like a human child?
So, get off. Chase, off.
I can't keep petting you. I need to work. Okay.
In my defense, can somebody show me to get my cat to stop doing this? She thinks she belongs here.
To make those rainbows in my